Hello everyone, it's been a long time since I upload video, so I'm practicing my Flexbox skill again because it's been a long time I didn't design website front end. So I'm already completed what I did yesterday to relearn it again and remember what Flexbox properties. Now I'm going to use intermediate, and because this is still saving my progress and I don't know how to reset it, I'm going using incognito and setting the difficulty into intermediate and do this. Okay, the first level. This is using this flag, and I want to move it to the right because display flag have a default direction into a row, so I can justify it into flag n. Okay, that's working. Now I have to frog and I need to put it in the middle. Still using Flexbox direction row because that's the default of display flag. Justify content for the main axis into center. Okay, that's working. Now move it between. So there is some property in justify content. I think this is space around. Okay, space around, space between, and I forgot the last one. But it's okay. Move to the next level. Okay, I think this is the space between. Okay, next. Still using the row, but because I want to move vertically, so I need to use align. Align items like n. Okay, still easy on the early level. Okay, still the same, but need to do it for both. Just the main axis and the cross axis. Okay, let's move it to the bottom first using align flex n. Now we need to justify it in the main axis. Space around. Okay, this is only using one and still using flag direction row, but and it just need to swap. So let's do it one by one first. Justify content it flex n, and there is something that should be swapped, right? So I think this is using something like reverse. Let's try flag direction row reverse. Okay, this is working. So defaultly we use only flag direction row, and now flag row reverse. And making the item or the content into vertical arrangement. So it's obvious to use flag direction too, but using column. Okay, there is two lines that I need to write. Let's just try it first with flag direction row reverse. It will swap the item 1, 2, 3, but we need to move it to the left. So that justify content because this is still a row and this is still in the main axis, but this is because this is reverse, the flag stars is on the right. So if I'm using the flag stars, it will on the right, still the same because the default. If I'm on the left, it will be flag end. So because this is the reverse, usually in the left is start and this is end. That's a normal row. So in the reverse, the justify content need to be reversed too. Okay, this is column, flag direction, and I need to move the content to the bottom. So is this main or cross? Because this column, so the main axis is the vertical one. And if I want to change the main axis, I need to justify content. Flex and this is the same flag direction, but this is using column reverse because the first item is green, yellow, and red, but this is one displaying red first. So this is obviously a reverse, and I need to just justify it. The main axis is the vertical, so this is space between. Okay, let's move it to the bottom first because this is a row, right? The content is appearing in the horizontal, but I just need to move it to bottom. So justify align first. Align items is flex and justify content center, but I need to reverse it. So flag direction row reverse. Okay, next. Okay, this is specific aiming for the yellow. So the order appearing is green, yellow, and red. But this is one the yellow only into the last. So there is order, the default is 0. If I'm using -1, it will move to the left, and if I'm using 1, it will be moved to the right. So the default is this is order 0, order 0, order 0. If I change order for the yellow into 1, this still making the red and green have order 1. Okay, I want the order 1 into minus, right? Moving to the left. 1, 2, 3. So this -3. Still using order. This is using flag row align item flag start, but specify the yellow into the bottom. So flag save, if I didn't flag save align save. Okay, align save is flag n. This is the same like with flag items. The difference is align item, it will bring everyone, and align save, it will only the selected yellow, so it's not all in the div. Still specify the yellow, and I just need to move the order to the right, and the align save into flex n. Okay, this is something that I truly forget yesterday, because I just remember that we know that there is justify content for the main axis, and there is okay, and justify content, and there is align item, but there is another one that is align content. So what is mean by align content is that if the row have multiple line, so usually flag box is when you need to design in one dimension, and because this is wrapped, like the size is not the actual size, we can set the flag wrap into wrap. So this will overwrap the item into the next line, so it will become 2 line. Okay, let's do it one by one first. Obviously we need to flag wrap, right? And we need to change the direction. This is flag direction into column. Still the same, flag wrap is wrap. Nah, this is that to the island again yesterday, that we need in the level 19 we use flag wrap and flag direction, but we can do both. Flag direction is column by doing one command only. This is using two line rect separated by this semicolon. So if I want to use only one command, that's it called flag flow. So I can specify the flow into wrap and column. Okay, this is one flag flow. Is combination of flag wrap and flag direction, because it's saying that the flag is using most of the time at the same time. Okay, I just need to one flag wrap, already done. This is what I'm talking about earlier. There is flag direction, align items, and align content. So this is the main axis for flag direction, and this is for the axis direction. So what is this for? This is only working if you have enable wrap and have 2-dimension flag. So this is, we have 1, 2, 3 row or more than one row. Okay, so I just need to use line content into flag start. The value is almost the same with flag flag justify and align item, and still the same. What it again? Align item, align content, flags end. Okay, the last two level. Let's change the direction first because the direction already false. So I need column and I need the yellow to appear first. So this is a reverse. And because this is wrap multiple row or multiple column, so I need to use align content, and this is center. Okay, now this is the last, and yesterday this is more like everything that's previously I understand. If I understand everything, this will be easy. Okay, so let's do step by step first. This is the flag having two column. So this is obviously flag wrap wrap. Now I need to change the direction, right? Because this is drawing from horizontally and I need to use vertically. So direction needs to be changed. And because the yellow first, this is a reverse. Okay, so the green is appearing first. Okay, let's try removing this first. And let's do the easy one first. Flag, align, content, space, between. I need to swap the left and the right, and because this is column, so wait, I don't want to trial and error, and I want to understand and make it work. So flag direction is column. Okay, is column, but if column reverse, the green appearing first. Why is that? It's so obviously draw the yellow first. Wait. Okay, reversing resulting the left have 4 item and the right have 2 item. So I think this is called okay. Let's this is too much S, and okay, I do this easily yesterday. Why I forget to put it? I need to, so I use order, but I don't think so. So maybe because this is a line item in the center. Justify content center. Let's try make the yellow in the middle first. And how to swipe this? So the order is, I think this from red is the first, second, third, fourth, five, and six, seven. And I want the 8 and 7 displaying it first. So okay, I think I need to combine the flag wrap and flag direction into flag flow. So this is flag flow, and I'm going to use column and like something like this. Okay, now I have one more line that I can use to swipe it. So using column reverse, drawing the, why this is touching the yellow at all, it only changed the red and green. I press refresh, sorry, why this is appearing beginner, okay. What did I miss? Okay, let's see the option. Justify content, okay. Align item, validation order, align save. Flag wrap, flag flow, align content. Align content. Okay, this is column, right? So this is the main axis vertically. If I want to change the horizontally, I need to use the align item. Flag N. Okay. No. I think there's something wrong. At the first not sent. Why it didn't want to swap it? Justify content. Center. Flag flow. Align item. And then this. Justify content. Align content. Align self. Let's try using the row first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I'm using row reverse, the yellow appearing first, right? It's not. The yellow still in the bottom. It does not change the green at all. Row reverse, or it's just row. How to make the yellow appearing first? If I'm using order, I don't think, because this is not individual item. This is the whole thing. The font. We are selecting the entire div. Okay, let's select the one. Justify content. It's obviously center. Flag direction and flag wrap. This is obviously column. But this is swept. Order align self. Flag wrap, flag flow. Flag wrap. Align content. Space between. Okay. This is taking too long. I think I'm going to opening cheat sheet. Okay, let's X cheat sheet Flexbox. Let's see row reverse, column reverse. No wrap reverse. Okay, I think okay. I forget about this one thing. So wrap there is have the option no wrap reverse. Okay, I forget this one wrap reverse. So I can so wrap is the default 1 to 3. If I wrap, the overflow will move to the new line. But if I reverse, the overflow will move to the top. Okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. Sorry, I forget this last one reverse. Actually yesterday, besides that I use beginner, I opening this flag box, so I think that's why I forget that one. Okay. Hopefully this is useful for you guys. You can use practice of Flexbox in Flexbox Prodigy. Bye.